Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make double exposure pictures using Photoshop. First of all, make a new project in Photoshop. Then, import the image you want to use. Make sure your subject on the image has a very contrasty background. Now open up the Levels tab and make the contrast even higher. When you're done with that, click on the Smart Select tool and start selecting your subject. When you've selected your subject, you can go to Edit, Define Brush Preset, and you can name it whatever you want. I named mine T-Pose. Next, what you're going to want to do, you can hide the subject picture. Now you're going to want to put the background image into the project. Now you want to select the background image and click on the mask button. Now you go up and press invert. Now you have to select the brush tool, and by default you should have the shape of your subject as a brush preset. Click anywhere on the project page in order to make the image. You can use undo to change the position of the image. You can now crop and export your image. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.